Wendy Sellers here, the HR lady. As you may be aware, I am on a worldwide mission to help supervisors and managers become effective people managers. So I have created 30-minute crash course trainings for supervisors and managers that are dirt cheap. Why would I do this? I want to help these people rather than let them be thrown to the wolves to fail and ultimately leave their job. When someone internally gets promoted without training and then they leave, they take frustrated employees with them, and I don't blame them. But I am emotionally tired of helping after the fact. So this is my way to stop that train from derailing in advance. These 30-minute trainings, and I have a 10-minute training too. They're no fluff, they get straight to the point. I have decided to host these, as well as other videos and HR advice on Patreon. Sign up on my Patreon account today. Search the HR lady. P.S. Clearly I'm not in it for the money. I'm selling these for as low as $3 and $10. Or you can go to my website if you need individual certificates and full trainings right now for only $25.